Which of the following reaction is possible? First one, option A, will silver reduce Cu plus 2 to Cu? Remember one point, the electrode which is having less reduction potential value can reduce the electrode which is having the more reduction potential value. So based on this point, once again, the point is very important point. The electrode which is having less reduction potential value will act as a good reducing agent, and it will reduce the electrode which is having the more reduction potential value. So based on this, if you observe here, silver 0.799, copper is 0.337. Actually, copper reduction potential value is less than silver. That means copper can reduce silver, but silver cannot reduce. So option A is not correct, because they given it as, will silver reduce U plus 2 to Cu? It is not possible. Copper can reduce silver, but silver cannot reduce copper. Okay, next, will, option B is, will Fe plus 3 be reduced to Fe plus 2 by Sn plus 4 ion? It is also not possible. Directly we can identify that here Sn plus 4. Sn is the fourth A group element. Its outermost electronic configuration is ns2np4. ns2np2, sorry. ns2np2. In its valence shell, it is having 4 electrons. Sn plus 4 means already it is losing 4 electrons from its valence shell. So further it cannot undergo any oxidation. That means it won't act as a reducing agent. So based on this point only, we can identify that Sn plus 4 cannot reduce Fe plus 3 to Fe plus 2, because it is not having any electrons in the valence shell. Based on that point only, we can decide that. So B is also wrong, A is also wrong. Next, using a silver spoon to stir a solution of CuNO3 twice. Means the meaning is here, what they are asking, silver can be used to stir the solution of copper nitrate. Here also say the same point, almost a similar point. Remember that the electrode which is having less reduction potential value can displace the other metal which is having more reduction potential value from its salt solution. The metal which is having less reduction potential value can displace the other metal which is having more reduction potential value from its salt solution. So based on this point, if you observe silver 0.8, copper is 0.34. Copper is having less reduction potential value. That means copper can displace the silver from its salt solution, but silver cannot displace the copper from its salt solution. So here option C is correct. Why it is? Because as I told, copper can displace the silver, but silver cannot displace the copper. So we can use silver spoon to stir the solution of copper nitrate, because silver cannot displace the copper from copper nitrate solution. So option C is correct here. And storing a solution of 1 molar CuSO4 in nickel vessel. Copper reduction potential value is 0.34. So nickel is minus 0.25. That means nickel can displace the copper, but copper cannot displace the nickel. So nickel can displace the copper. So we cannot store the copper sulfate solution in nickel vessel. So D is also wrong. So here correct option is option C.